In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an image in Adobe Illustrator. Embedding an image ensures the picture actually lives inside your Illustrator file rather than pointing to a file on your computer. That means if you send your .ai file to someone else or move it to another folder, the image won't go missing with a broken link. It's a great way to make your document self-contained and reliable for sharing, archiving, or sending to print. Let's start by bringing the image into your document. Go to File, choose Place, pick your image from your drive, and click Place. Illustrator supports formats like JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and PSD. After you click Place, you can either click once on the artboard to drop the image at its original size or click and drag to set a custom size as you place it. Either way works. Just aim for a size that looks close to what you need so you don't have to scale too dramatically later. Next, make sure the image on your artboard is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box with handles around it. If you click away accidentally, just click directly on the image to highlight it again. With the image selected, look to the control panel across the top of Illustrator's interface. You should see the image name displayed there. Right next to that name is the Embed button. Go ahead and click Embed. Illustrator will process the image and tuck it into your .ai file. After embedding, you may notice indicators change, such as the option switching to unembed or a small icon indicating the image is now part of the document. At this point, your image is embedded. Practically speaking, that means you can move the .ai file anywhere, email it, or hand it off without worrying about separate image files. A couple of useful notes: embedding typically increases your file size because the image is now stored inside the document. That's normal, but if you're working with very large or numerous images, keep an eye on disk space and performance. Also, once an image is embedded, it won't automatically update if you edit the original file outside Illustrator. If you anticipate frequent updates, you might keep it linked during design and embed only when you're ready to deliver. Finally, give your document a quick save to lock in the changes, and that's it. Your image is now securely embedded in your Illustrator file, ready for sharing or print without any link headaches.